This is the current situation at Miami's International Airport. Basically sit anywhere. Awesome view. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Milo and I do travel and lifestyle vlogs. Now this week's video, we're going to show you what it's like to travel after the lockdown and with the current situation of the virus. We're actually heading down to Mexico. We're gonna spend some days in Cancun and Tulum, so expect awesome videos from Cancun and Tulum as well. But today we're just gonna show you what it's like to fly after being at home for almost 6 months. Check this out. This is the current situation at Miami's International Airport. It is actually quite busy, as you guys can see. I was not expecting it this busy. Today's Saturday. It's been raining and there's a lot of cars. So we'll see how it goes. Let's go inside now. Alright guys, so we already dropped off our bags. All we gotta do is go through a checkpoint, and that's what we're gonna do. We're supposed to be boarding in about an hour and a half or so. I can tell you guys right off the bat that when we were dropping off our bags, we did notice that as the line got bigger, more staff from American Airlines came on the counters to, you know, help us out with our bags and just keep things moving. So that's a good thing. Okay, so right now we're making the line to go through the security checkpoint here at the airport. So I'm gonna turn off the camera because obviously I cannot record this part, but I'll let you guys know if anything has changed once we're on the other side. All right, we're ready to go. Come on. Okay, so we just passed through the security checkpoint. Nothing has changed. It's pretty much the same. We had to take off our belt, shoes, open up our bags, laptop, drone in my case. It didn't really take a long time for us to go through the whole thing. No temperature check. By the way, for those of you who might be wondering, no temperature check at all. And as you guys can see, it's a normal day at the airport. I mean, nothing really major. Today, September 12th, we can see that a lot of the businesses inside are already opened. Restaurants, stores. It's a normal day at the airport pretty much, like I said. Nothing different, which is, it's awesome. I was a little bit nervous on my way here because I didn't know what to expect. But I'm glad it looks normal, like always. I'm excited to hop on a plane. I come from a tourism background, so I used to travel a lot, but after the pandemic and the virus and all this stuff happened, I've been home. I love flying, so I can't wait to hop on the plane and just take off, be up in the clouds, 37,000 feet. Awesome. now we're just waiting to board. We're supposed to board in about 30 minutes or so. We're just looking for a water bottle, and then we'll be heading to our gate, and I'll show you guys how the gate looks in just a little bit. Okay guys, so we finally made it to the gate. One thing that really caught my attention is that the seats at the gates don't have any markings or anything like that, so you can basically sit anywhere. You guys can see everyone is pretty much sitting down where they have to sit down. The airline didn't block any seats or anything like that to keep the distance, and it's understandable. Let's keep in mind that their planes have been on the ground for quite a long time, and they have to make up all the revenue and all the money, so it's understandable. Okay guys, we are about to land in Cancun, probably like in the next 10-15 minutes. Alright guys, we just deboarded the plane. Honestly, it was quick. Everybody did it in an organized manner and no complaints at all. The service from American Airlines was awesome. We took off on time and we arrived a few minutes earlier than what we expected. So that's great. Now we're just gonna go through customs, pick up the car we rented, and head to the Airbnb so we can show you guys what that looks like. Good morning guys. Welcome to Cancun, and my bad, last night we came in super late into the Airbnb. We fell asleep, but we just woke up and check this awesome view. It is beautiful. We were here with Daniela just watching the sunrise, and wow, stunning. But really quickly before I let you guys go, this is pretty much the Airbnb we're in. It's a studio. It's not that small, to be honest. We got a huge TV, some drawers, 2 queen beds, a fridge, sink, a small stove. Behind it is it's the bathroom, a normal bathroom, nothing crazy. But what's insane here is, once again, this awesome view. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoy the video. And remember, you guys haven't seen my best or my worst video yet, so subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you guys get notified when new videos come out. And hey, you guys want to hit that bell because we got a couple of awesome videos coming out. Today we'll be exploring Isla Mujeres, so expect the video from Islas Mujeres next week. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. And from Cancun, I will see you in the next video.